Hello, I'm Charley, and I want us to save the rainforest. Did you know that using certain products like palm oil, like in your lipstick, you're helping destroy the rainforest? Did you know that when you drive your car for no reason, you're helping destroy the rainforest? I mean, guys, listen, would you believe that reading labels on products, riding or walking here and there helps save the rainforest? Did you know that every second a rainforest the size of a football field being destroyed? What about the monkeys, the birds? We need to save the rainforest because it is home to many animals. Because it is a beautiful place that provides with natural air. You feel that? It also gives us great food like mangoes, which my auntie uses in her smoothie. I'm just saying. We are all responsible. We should take charge and save the rainforest. Make change. Be changed. As my mommy always say, change is necessary. Come on, guys. Save the rainforest.